I'm B-Boy Push, and you're about to learn how to do the 6-step. The 6-step is the most basic move you'll ever learn in breaking. It's actually a little bit complicated, but the great thing about the 6-step is it's going to show us how to get into every basic position within our footwork. We've already learned the two main positions in our footwork, which is the first position, the squat. The second position would be the push-up position. We're going to get from the squatting position to the push-up position, and we're going to rotate in a circle. If you might have guessed, there are 6 steps to this move. Technically, there's only 4 because we do half on the other side, but we are going to show you each position. All right, the first position, the easiest position to start off is in the push-up position. So get up into a push-up position, and what you're gonna do next is take your right foot or your left foot. You can do this either way. I'm gonna start with my right. We're gonna take our right foot and replace our left hand with that foot. Now I wanna make sure that my foot comes all the way where my hand was and not over here. It's gonna throw my position off. So, step 1, take your right foot, replace your left hand. It's better to have your foot further in front than too far behind, okay? So, foot replaces the hand. We're gonna take our back leg and we're going to bring it into a half squat. So I'm sitting on the back of my foot here, just like this, as if I was in a squat, okay? So 1, replace the hand. 2, sit in the squat. 3, all we're gonna do is go into a full squat. Now, it's important that you recognize that you wanna lift your hip up when you're on the ground. Get your foot underneath. Let me show you. Step 1. Step 2, we're squatting. Now step 3, we need to make sure this toe comes all the way under. We don't wanna just be here. I gotta actually lift my hip up just a little bit to make sure I'm in this squatting position, okay? Let's do the first half of this 6-step. Step 1, replace your hand. Step 2, half of a squat. Step 3, full squat, making sure we lift our hip up. And then we're going to go to the opposite side. So here's probably the trickiest part, the transition. We're gonna take our left foot, switch to our left hand. Our left foot comes and wraps around our right foot, just like this. Squat position, wraps around. And now what we wanna do is take our foot and make sure we can bend our toe and get a little bit of grip in the floor. This is gonna help us for the next step. Step 5, bringing your foot back. And then step 6, we're gonna come full circle and we should be in a push-up position. So let's do it. Step 1, replace your hand. Step 2, squat on left foot. Step 3, full squat. Step 4, a little tricky part, switch our hand and wrap our foot, making sure we have a little bit of grip. Step 5, push back. And step 6, we open up. All right, now let me show you how this is gonna look when it's in full motion. The 6-step is an illusion step, and it's meant to look like our feet are running around our body. So it's really important to try to keep your core and center really straight and have your feet and hips do the work. Okay, a little bit faster. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me show you this in fast motion. You just learned how to do the 6-step.